All right guys, just kind of want to show you what we're doing here. There's an engineered swell that runs through this subdivision, and we have to be very careful not to damage that swell. It would probably work better if we had our excavator with us, but it's in the shop. So we're just shaping it the best we can. This is not a final grade. Right now we're just trying to get a basic shape. We'll come back at a later date and really feather all this out. He's actually rolling through that engineered swell right now. And we do have a blueprint to go off of for that swell, but anything we do that is not to scale on that, we have to come back and fix. It's actually been a problem in this whole subdivision. We're in Central Florida, by the way. This is a pretty cool neighborhood here. There's 7 or 8 of these pits, these lakes that they dug for shell years ago. And in the last year or so, the lots have begun to sell. And we've done several houses in here. Pretty tricky grading though. They're big lots. A lot of grass has to be removed. I don't know if you guys noticed that rat that just went out of that grass. We have lots of those in Florida. All of these lots that are grown up over the years, when we bush hog them or when we remove the grass, those things go everywhere. Anyways, you see what we're trying to do here. We'll get back to you when we get around front and start doing some actual grading.